Dear children, this is the third module. In this module, we are going to discuss how to compare tuples. The comparison of list, one list with another list, we had already discussed. It will compare the values in index positions. Look at the example I had given. It is very similar with the list. A1, that is A, B, C are the given tuples. A equal to B. Here I used the comparison operator called equality operator. It gives true as the result. A equal to C, because even though we are having the same elements but in different positions, so the tuple will result always false. Then C equal to D, again true. What happens here? There is no type comparison happens, only the values. So A greater than C. A greater than C. The first two elements, that is 10 in A and 20 in C. What happens here? 10 is less than C. So that we will get true. The next we are going to discuss unpacking of tuple. Creating a tuple from a set of values is called packing. And its reverse, that is creating individual values from a tuple elements, is called unpacking. Unpacking is done by using the following syntax: value 1, value 2, value 3 is equals tuple object. That is, if we are having a tuple with 4 values, how many variables you need to give? 4 variables. A, B, C, D equal T1. So A will get the value as 100, B will have the value of 200, C and D as follows. Only one thing you should have to note: tuple unpacking requires that the list of variables on the left side must be same as the length of the tuple. That means how many elements you are having in the tuple, that much variable you should have to give on the left hand side of the equal symbol. I think you are all clear about what is unpacking of tuples. Then, how to delete a value from a tuple? The statement we can use is del, del. The del statement of Python is used to delete elements and objects, but as you know that tuple are immutable, which also means that individual elements of a tuple cannot be deleted. So delt of 2 will be cause an error. T1 can be deleted entirely. That is del of T1. So what happens? Tuple itself deleted from the program. So my dear children, individual element deletion is not possible in tuple, but we can use del for removing the entire tuple. I think you are all clear about how to delete tuple elements. Then, as we discussed many functions in string, list, tuple also having many functions. The first function is len, which is used for what? Finding the total number of elements in a list. In a tuple. Here I am having a book of tuple. How many elements are there? 4. So len of book I will get 4. Then max of, for finding the maximum element which is having a maximum value. Salary is a tuple. Max of salary will provide, or it will result, the maximum salary of a given tuple. So it will retrieve 1500. Then if you are having a check with the alphabets or with a string, it will take which alphabet or the first alphabet will have the maximum of ASCII code. Look at the example I had given: mango, pineapple, apple and carrot. So it will retrieve pineapple, MNOP. So P is having largest ASCII code than ACM. That is why it is retrieving like pineapple. My dear children, max function will return maximum value only if all the elements in a tuple is same type. Otherwise, it will provide the error. Even though if it is having a nested tuple, max of function. Another function which is very similar with the max is minimum. To find the minimum element from a minimum value element from the tuple. I think you're all clear about what is the functions len, min, del statement. The last in this session is index of. Here we are using this index of function for getting or for retrieving the index of any element in a tuple. Salary dot index of 800. So it will retrieve 2. If any element or if you are not giving the element which is in a tuple, that is you are giving a non-element of a tuple 2000 or 5000, what happens? The interpreter will provide a error. I think you are all clear about what is the comparison, slicing, del function and functions and methods of tuple. Other functions we will discuss in the next module.